So today we're going to draw some cityscapes using two different color families. The first color family is warm colors. Warm colors are red, yellow, and orange. They feel warm because they remind us of things like the sun or fire. The second color family are cool colors. They're blue, green, and purple, violet. They feel cool because they remind us of things like water or grass.
Today we are going to make a cityscape. A cityscape is just a picture of a city, kind of like a landscape is a picture of a land. We are going to use two color families when we do that. We're going to use warm and cool colors. I just talked about them a second ago. What if I told you we can make a picture of a city by making arrows? Everybody can make an arrow. I'm just going to make one right here. I'm going to make it pretty dark. I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to do an arrow like that. You can do an arrow, can't you? So we're going to do that across our paper. I'm going to make an arrow here. Some of them are going to be big. Some of them are going to be small. Get a variety of different size arrows. Make a really big one up here. And there I have some arrows. I'm gonna turn this into a city. Now I'm going to start from the edge of my arrows, stuff right here. I'm gonna bring a line straight down. And I'm gonna go straight down until I hit another arrow, or from the edge I'm gonna go down until I hit the bottom of the paper. So from here, there, I'm just gonna bring it down until I hit the bottom of the paper. But here I'm going to go down right until I hit the next part of the arrow. Here I'm going to go down right until I hit the arrow. Keep going down from the edge of my arrows, and those are going to be the buildings of my city. Let's make one more arrow right here. So we get one more city, one more building. That way my city goes all the way across. Now those are my buildings of my city. I've got to add some details. So what if I turn this into one of those buildings like maybe like the First Star Bank building downtown Milwaukee? It's just like all windows, the whole building. So I bring some lines across like this. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Or we can do different kinds of stuff on our cities. Well, first, you could put doors, windows, you could put stuff, towers coming out of the top, put some stuff in the sky if you like to. Put a little tower right here. Maybe this has got like a clock tower or something. Got some different kinds of windows, more fancy kind of windows if you have in some kind of buildings. There you go. I've got my details on it. Now it's time to color. Now I'm going to put this out as an option. Some of you may have watercolors at your house. If you don't, that's fine. But if you would like to use watercolors, you can. Now warm and cool colors. Warm colors are red, yellow, and orange. Cool colors are blue, purple, and green. And we're going to color using those different color families. Now, if you're going to color your buildings in warm colors, you're going to color your sky in cool colors. If you're going to color your buildings in cool colors, you're going to color your sky in warm colors. Now, if you would like to, you can use watercolors. I know some people don't have those. If not, just use whatever you have. If you don't have anything with colors, just put a lot of details in it. I'm going to come in and I'm going to that. Now let's be interesting with the colors. Let's not just do one. You know, we can watercolors and crayons, and I'll show you the crayons in a second. We can do little patches of color, and we can blend some stuff. I'm just going to do this one building in watercolors. I'm going to do the rest in crayon. Now I'm going to do the rest in crayon. Again, I'm going to still use warm colors. I'm going to start coloring. You don't have to do, well, it's still fun to mix up the colors with this. I think they look better if you do. Stuff around, warm colors. Still, oops, I broke my crayon, that's fine. Use little bits of colors everywhere. I think that looks the best when you do that. And there you go. I've got my warm colors in my buildings. Now, I'm going to do cool colors in the sky. Now, again, if you want to use watercolors, you can. I don't think I'm going to this time, but you can. And again, let's not just paint or color in the whole sky one color. It's kind of fun if you just do little patches of color and then do different stuff. Because when you look up in the sky, it is different colors, and it's just, I mean, these pictures look better if you do it that way. Getting my cool colors in. And there you go. Cool colors in the sky, warm colors in the buildings. Thank you, everybody. I hope you're having a good time with your families at home, and I hope to see you soon.